Mothers hold their children's hands for a short while, but their hearts forever. Good morning to everyone present here. Today is a special day dedicated to the most special person in our lives, our mother. We celebrate Mother's Day to express our love, respect, and gratitude towards our mothers. A mother does everything for us. She takes care of us, supports us, and sacrifices her happiness for our well being. This day reminds us to thank her for all her love and efforts. Mother's Day started because of a woman named Anna Jarvis in the United States. She wanted to honor her mother and all mothers for their sacrifices. In 1914, the President Woodrow Wilson officially declared the second Sunday of May as Mother's Day. On this day, children do many special things to make their mothers happy. They give gifts, flowers, and handmade cards. Some help in household work, cook food, or spend quality time with their mothers. Schools also organize speeches, poems, and performances to celebrate this day. Mother's Day teaches us to respect and value our mothers. It reminds us of their importance in our lives. A mother is our first teacher, our guide, and our best friend. Without her, our life is incomplete. In the end, I would like to say a mother's love is the purest and strongest love in the world. Let us not just celebrate Mother's Day once a year, but love and respect our mothers every day. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.